Hey y'all, it's Dawn, and I'm so glad you're back. I've got another fun, budget-friendly DIY video for you today. This is a cute hanging basket I got at a yard sale a few weeks back. I thought it was cute and so farmhouse, and I knew I could figure out something to do with it. You can see here that I gave $3 for it. When I saw the basket and the price, I grabbed it up. You can't beat $3. I used Waverly plaster chalk paint and dry brushed the basket using a chip brush. I wanted the basket to be lighter, but I didn't want to cover up all of the natural color. I got this file in a fall bundle from Design Bundles. The files you get from Design Bundles come in all different formats. I used the P&G format, sized it to fit the Dollar Tree frame, and then printed it out on regular printer paper and cut it down to the size of the frame I was going to use. After taking the frame apart, I traced around the glass part and cut it out. I used my chip brush and plaster paint to distress the outside of the black frame. I placed my printout and the frame back together, but first removed the stand from the back of the frame, since I was going to be hanging it on the front of the basket. I didn't want to just glue the frame to the basket because I want to be able to change it out with the seasons. It took some trial and error to figure out how I wanted to do this, but I finally did figure it out. I used a picture wall hanger and a pair of pliers. I bent the hanger so it would slide behind the strips of the basket. This is what the hanger looked like when I finished bending it. I placed the hanger onto the basket and then glued a D-ring onto the back of the frame. And look at how stinking cute this hanging basket turned out. I did go back and dry brush the rope because I just didn't think it looked right with the dark brown rope. I can change out the florals in the basket and the picture in the frame for the different seasons and holidays. Let me know in the comments what you think about this adorable hanging basket. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Happy crafting!